There, in the middle of a doom. If you're not lucky, if I'm alone, you'll be lucky. But if I'm there, and my 10 boys are in their pickup with me, with their hips, trust me, we'll beat you.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Sam TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And also, the birthday of our boss, Ajwa, the leader of this entity, Ghana Sam TV GH. We wish her all the well in her good endeavors and pray that she will excel in everything she does and will lead this corporation to its next level. Now, ye county debi na ube Daniel uri bise ure na ye free so uji me ko die uji web sons yo wa e o wa Kumasi Mayor e see a friend Zuba enti Zuba person Zuba ye papa ni ye nuanu mu ni ye mami amuo edum na on say sometimes no you can have a good message. Yes, you can have a very good, brilliant message. But how you carry it through, how you carry it out, how you present it becomes an issue. Na saa Zuba we no, I say oye Kumasi Mayor. Kumasi Mayor. As a mayor of the second biggest town, city.
There's something we're going to do. And that is where I need your support. As for me, I don't like reporting too many things to the police. I don't want a situation whereby we'll put in place a police team, we'll go arrest people, and then they go to the police station and they find their own means and they are back on the street. That would be a waste of time and resources for me. So I have my own democratic military style, which I'll be implementing. When we say leave this space, and you don't leave this space, and I get there, I am not lucky, and my boys are with me, there and then, we'll beat you. There, in the middle of a doom. If you're not lucky, if I'm alone, you'll be lucky. But if I'm there, and my 10 boys are in their pickup with me, with their hips, trust me, we'll beat you. If you don't want to experience that kind of situation, do that which is right and which is lawful. This is Otumfuo City. This is the Asantehene City. This is the Garden City of West Africa. We have to preserve its image. And I am here to work to satisfy the city for Otumfuo. And I want to ensure that this city looks like Otumfuo City. And when we talk to you, and we implore on you to adhere to that which we all do, and we can all have peace, and you want to let the job become difficult for me, I will let your body feel the difficulty that you are giving to me. So when it gets to that period, please don't sit on your radio station and say that I've
City in Ghana there, and yeah, small. A lot. It comes with a lot of responsibility, a lot of pressure, a lot of anticipation, and ideally, we would understand, say, he is trying to set the ground rolling, to try to set the game and set the rules so that to lead to his success. But same bi wo wa Zuba kokaye na anto asum. And I say anto asum ye. Zuba see all the women who are selling on pavement ewo edum honum no. Onu Zuba or on one rules. Number one problem, number one fault a mistake or no. Or see onu Zuba no. Or on one rules are ordinary. Enye Ghana constitution ordinary. Or on a democratic military approach. Second mistake. First, okay, so one rule. Second one, say our democratic military approach. And okay, say, oba market honum be catch microphone say, hey, ade a mu tuton o pavement no hu no, mu jaito mu free akọ. Na oman sorry e free hoko a. Onu Zuba, oba next time I ordini 10 boys. they share pick up more pick up the chair. Be two so tonyama and all to wadie. We are my meal, we are my penny, papa penny, we are brand you, who to a dear or pavement no one, be boo. They will beat you. And instead is straightforward. Or see, they will beat you. And I want to mean your focal because on the on Jin say Ghana police be she because on doesn't believe in using the law services and the security agencies. Who are bam? Who say? So chi obi the nipa no police ah. Nipa no be finding your own ways or to police for no free. Why are you in government? You are in government to solve that problem. Under you, say uchi obi echo police station. Make it work so that the police will not have their own way of liberating the people. So you don't come and tell us uchi obi the nipa no come police police yes says anything. You will take the law into your own hands. There be. What kind of leaders are these? Who voted for this kind of people? Now, yeah, could be someone. Yes, Zuba, no, not no, we know. Ebra na owo Obuasi as MC in society na oyena galam say for chasing. This another na oyena galam say for chasing. Ya mami amu Kumasi. Say mu. And Akufo-Addo ni ba omi obi ameka kire mu say ade amu tuton okwan nche no. Ya omba be boom. There be da. Obi ameka asem. So I say we respect you. We acknowledge your hard work that you are doing. But these people, you see, you remember, even from PNDC time, the way they came to beat our mothers at KJTI and all. So, at the end, that's show my dream. Some person, some deba, a bright democracy. Can be a memum. And we must be very, very careful of these people. Extremely careful of these people. Esan says, I didn't have started there, and they ain't try it. It won't be well. It will go down well. It was an irresponsible statement. SSS, Mayor, Kumasi Mayor, and apologizes to our market women. The reason for people selling on the pavement is because there is not enough space in the market. So if you want them to move away from the pavement, then what do? You create enough space in the market. A simple and here, when you're rocket science. You have not created a space at the market and you are threatening them. So social media has been reacting and people have been passing their comments. So let me quickly read some comments to you. OBC, and all these comments and CCTV in this story no buy anything and CCTV poor post. Obi says you see asem no critical NDC never again in our life. And Mensa said this man should ask Henry Quartey what his own party people did to him when he was enforcing the laws. Celebrant said a very, very stupid approach. The large ordinary people voted. Have you forgotten so soon? Set rules, laws, and principles, not to go and whip people's mothers, sisters, brothers, fathers, uncles, aunties, nieces, nephews, and friends. People are interconnected, so be careful of your actions. Your comments can exhibit the beginning of your downfall. This is Otunfuo City. Ask yourself, which people live in a city? Which people make the city lively? Sometimes people you lead, and when there is no people. Sometimes we forget that what makes you a leader is the people you lead, and when there is no people, or when there are no people, there is no leadership. Brilliant one spoken. And you say that I thought you were serious and competent until I heard Otunfuo's name. Is it the one who appointed you? You are no longer going to work for Ghana, but going to autocratically harass the people with impunity, all in the name of Otunfuo? Then, obviously, the guy is drunk. This guy, is he drunk? How can you say you have your own democratic laws? Ebenezer says, arrogance of power. Even before he gets to his office, such lawlessness. Mas will say, shame on you as a leader. You don't deserve your office. Nyako TV said that what a political party. In this 21st century. Ghana police, come and listen yourself. You arrest people and they find their way back to the streets. And that there are more. Obviously, Massa, be careful. You don't do anything stupid. Look at your colleague, the regional minister, is doing. Don't be stupid. Massa, President Mahama didn't send you there to beat anybody, and go there with the spirit of humanity and humility. We want to break MPP's wings and waste in the region. Be careful and be warned. Obviously, knowing Zuba, he will do it. Mohammed said, leave Otunfo out of your decisions and action. He didn't appoint you. JM did. Your success will be given to JM. We say he's saying the right thing, but since he's a fool, he hung himself with the undiplomatic approach. Hey, obviously wrong. A mayor has no right to beat people and shouldn't even come from his mouth. This has been a political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And then bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.